Welcome aboard Biyaheng Big Sky, where we go beyond borders to talk about all things travel. And this is brought to you by Big Sky, your #1 travel connectivity provider in the Philippines. I'm Andrea. I'm your resident Big Sky traveler, and let's get this pod started. I'm super excited to host the pilot episode of Biyaheng Big Sky, where I'm finally sharing this space and talk about all things travel, from stories, guides, trends, and boodles that will definitely help you in your upcoming trip, especially kung first-time traveler ka or frequent traveler ka pa. So, since we're launching this first episode this March, we thought it would be perfect na i-align to sa Women's Month too. I know mag-a-agree sa inyo mostly na halos lahat ng designated travel planners ng family or barkada ay si mama, si tita, or probably girlfriends. And actually, most of the adventurous travelers that I know are women. That makes me also wonder about their stories, how they thrive in a big group, and how they found happiness, especially in traveling. That's why I'm super excited with our speakers today. Let me introduce to you our amazing first guest in Biyaheng Big Sky. We have Muchi de Guzman and also Patitan. Would you like to share a little bit about you guys?
I'm a project manager by profession. And siguro background ko on traveling. Well, I'm traveling with friends mostly and my family. And sometimes solo travel then to explore new places.
Yeah, me too. I'm a project manager by purpose, by life purpose. And I'm also an entrepreneur.
All right. So today we're so excited because we're gonna talk about probably one of the most asked questions then ng ating Big Sky fams. Kasi dami nang nagta-travel ngayon. May mga solo traveler and also nagta-travel then also as a group. And we're excited to also learn from you girls about traveling as a group. So I'd like to ask Nano, let's dive right into it. What is the first place that you traveled as a group and how did it come about?
So Patty and I have been traveling together for like more than
We're
13,
blockmates.
15 years.
Wow.
So first, nung local travels, like road trips, kami na yung nag-organize.
Yes.
Nice.
And then the first trip with the barkada was Coron. Was a practice for our first international trip to Hong Kong.
Practice.
Oh, practice.
Test muna.
Yeah.
Dry
Our
run.
first international trip with the barkada in Hong Kong. Remember?
Yeah. So that was in 2012, no? 13
Wow.
years ago.
Wow.
Grabe.
Years ago.
And I think, kasi our barkada is a big group. So mga more than 10 kami
Wow.
lagi when we travel. So
That's a lot.
imagine the stress.
Uy, talaga.
The
Yeah.
effort
Mm-mm.
that you need to put in when planning for the trip kasi you need to consider everyone din. Yung mga preferences nila, where they wanna go, and syempre yung dynamics din and logistics kasi yun yung mahirap with the big group.
Especially because we started traveling as a barkada in our early 20s. So, hindi pa kami mature
Mm-mm.
individuals.
Yeah.
Hindi pa kami masyado adult. So,
Yeah.
yung courtesy, yung just
Wala
traveling,
pa.
wala pa.
Yeah. Wala pang ganon.
Yeah. So, that's the time that we travel. Kaya okay din nung nag-Hong Kong kami kasi madaming na-practice na SOP.
Nag-rebuild ng
Oo,
systems.
nag-build kami
Yeah,
ng
yeah.
systems and stuff. So, Hong Kong yung first trip namin as a barkada.
And how did that impact your friendship?
Syempre at first,
Well, may
with
mga nawala.
Coron,
Joke.
may mga nawala, tao at mga bagay. Hindi, with Coron kasi since it's our first trip, parang test run lahat. Of course, we've been friends for so long na
Yeah.
and magkasama kami sa school and such. Pero iba pa rin yung traveling together and, being with each other 24/7 for a number of days.
And being responsible together.
Oo.
Without our parents or without like the other
Adults.
Yeah. Because it's different when you travel with your barkada because everybody has to be responsible. Actually, the real title of this podcast is how to travel with your barkada and stay friends.
Yeah.
Because I think
Yeah.
it's an important question to answer. Like, how do you travel as a barkada with like more than 10 people
Na walang ma-unfriend.
and stay friends?
That's the goal. Kailangan friends pa rin.
Oo.
Because feeling ko during our early 20s, we had to learn a lot of things like how to be on time.
Nice.
Because the plane is gonna leave.
Yeah.
So you gotta be on time. And yung mga people in our
Mm.
barkada,
Yeah.
we're not gonna name drop today.
No name dropping
But
here.
there are
Yeah.
some people who just
Nah.
can't be on time.
Yeah.
And they learned. So my hope sila doon. And then how to be considerate of other people's time then. Doon din namin na-realize na we had to like have rules as a
Rule.
barkada. Hindi naman sobrang strict pero parang, oy guys
Mm-mm.
mag-aaway kasi tayo pag hindi
Yeah.
tayo nagka-rules eh.
Yeah.
And I think kasi it's to make sure din na everyone gets their money's worth. Walang nalugi na nag-antay lang ng buong araw
Yeah,
for
yeah.
someone else.
Because imagine just traveling with 10 people. 10
That's a
individuals
lot.
with a lot of different preferences. So some people want to go shopping, some
Mm-mm.
people want to go
Yeah.
sightseeing, some people wanted to go to Disneyland. Different preferences, but one itinerary. We were all single during the time, so nobody knew how to compromise. So we were all single. We all wanted to get our way. So we kind of learned how to give and take then as adulting.
Pero I think what worked for us is meron kaming mechanism. Wow.
Wow, oo.
Na
Yeah.
to get their inputs din on ano yung mga places na gusto nilang puntahan, ano yung mga gusto nilang kainan,
Yeah.
or ano yung schedule na gusto nila, like chill lang ba, or
Oo.
gusto ba nila like super siksik
Yeah.
to make
Mm.
sure na mapuntahan
Yeah.
lahat. So, may pa-survey kami before we do the
For
actual
real?
planning.
Tama.
May
diba?
SOP talaga. It
Yeah.
starts
May
with the survey muna.
Survey muna, where do you want to go?
I'll redo this, okay? We're project managers by profession.
Yeah.
So, yung habits namin as project managers in the IT space, we literally applied that
Yeah.
100% in planning our trips with our barkada. So, meron kaming customer journey.
Wow!
Oh,
May funnel.
May
May
funnel
funnel.
kami. So,
Yeah.
before when funnel wasn't a thing, may funnel na kami na may survey muna. Where do you wanna go? What do you wanna do?
Wow.
How many days? What's the budget? Everybody was like aligned, and we had a rule. Yes means yes. No means no. Maybe means maybe. So, ibig sabihin,
Kung nag-yes ka na, hindi ka pwedeng bumack out. So, auto-book ka na niyan.
yeah, auto-book.
Well, syempre, on the budget
Yeah.
kami before. So, may mga promo fares na bigla na lang siyang susulpot, right?
Yeah.
So, dapat, hindi naman pwedeng hating gabi, magtatawag pa lang kami o sino yung game na sasama sa trip na to. So, meron kaming Excel sheet.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, we had an Excel sheet. So you marked yourself as yes, auto-book. Auto-book means we will book for you. So we would front it. If you said yes, then that means you're gonna pay.
Oh.
Whatever happens, you're gonna pay. So
Mm-mm.
I think having that clear rule then
Yeah.
with our friends was what made it sustainable because it meant na hindi pwede magbulahan.
Bawal
Committed ka
drawing.
talaga.
Oo,
Bawal
walang
drawing.
Yun na yung term ngayon, di ba?
Yeah,
Drawing.
yeah.
Pero
Drawing
before,
lang.
hindi namin alam yun.
Yeah.
Na may drawing
Ah.
pala. So sabi namin, sige, pag sinabi mong yes, that means yes.
Kung kailangan bumack
Ang
out,
smart.
then you have to
Mm.
pay for it pa din.
Yeah.
Diba? Kasi nag-commit ka na eh.
So just be upfront na pag maybe ka, that's okay. Maybe it's
Mm-mm.
okay. But just say na you're really not sure yet.
Yeah.
Di ba? So may ganun kami.
Wow.
Ang maybe sa amin, just keep me informed. I'm not,
I'll let you-
don't book for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ang smart. Mas ano pa siya sa mga tours, ha? Kasi wala
Mm.
naman ganyan yung mga tours eh. Like, eto na yun. That's it.
We never realized we were actually doing the job of a
Of a
travel
travel
agency.
agency.
Yeah.
Baka yun talaga yung
Tours.
calling
Yeah.
natin.
Gosh, ang smart. So guys, SOP. Pwede tayo magkaroon ng SOP pag magka-travel
Yes.
with friends.
After nito may template.
Yeah.
How to travel
Pa-download
with
na lang po.
friends. Yes. How to travel with
Yes.
your barkada and stay friends.
That's so nice. So,
Yeah.
which country you think yung parang best na naging impactful for the group?
I think Japan, Kao.
How many kayo nun?
15, girl.
15 ba?
Mhm.
15.
Ganun na siya talaga kadami every time you
Feeling
guys.
ko kasi when
Yeah.
we went
Ang
to
solid.
Japan, medyo may structure na yung process na.
Na-test na yung mga
Medyo nahiya ako
systems.
Oo. May structure na yung process namin.
Mm-mm.
And nakapag ilang trips na din kami. Na-apply na yung mga sinet namin na rules.
See, people are gonna watch this and think that, oh my God, ang
Ang
OC
OC
nila. They're scary. Pero honestly, masaya
Yeah.
naman.
Oh,
Oo,
nun siya.
walang
Nun siya. It
ka-
can be
ano.
really messy and
Yeah.
chaotic.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Pero I
we're-
think Japan nga yun.
Japan, I think. Australia din, masaya na.
Yeah.
Kasi nung Australia, by the time na Australia, parang wala na lang sa amin eh. Meaning, yabang no. Hindi,
Like, ang
sobrang
smooth
sanay na
na.
namin.
Natural na.
Yeah.
oo.
Mature na kami, may
Aww.
processes na, may systems. We even traveled with our friend's kid. So, ganun na kami
Oh,
kasanay na
Very, ano na siya.
we were able to like travel with a kid. One of our friends has a kid already. So, 1-year-old pa lang siya.
Yeah.
Na, but it was so fun kasi sobrang sanay na namin ng time na yun. But yeah, Japan nga was the fun.
Japan. And yun kasi din yung pinaka-jump pack namin na trip. Talagang kailangan i-implement lahat.
Yung mga
Otherwise,
SOPs.
oo,
Yeah.
otherwise, magkakagulo. Dahil sobrang jump pack nga niya, we need to be on time. Otherwise,
Mm-mm.
maiiwan kami ng mga trains namin, ng mga trips namin. Baka may hindi kami mapuntahan na place because na-delay yung mga
Mm-mm.
stuff.
Nice.
So we planned it to the hour of the train. So at least on time. Kasi
At
at
least on
that time, we would have already like maybe mga 4 or 5 more I don't know how many trips na by that time, but we were already practice. So when we said 11, it was 11. Everybody was like, saya na dahil on time na kaming lahat. Alam mo yun, alam na kung paano i-adjust yung sleep to wake up on a
Wow.
certain hour.
Pero, no pressure pa din. Like, for
Oo.
example, if pagod ka talaga at di mo na
Yeah.
kayang gumising, then we have a rule din naman na
Just
no
let us
pressure
know,
na
yeah.
matulog ka
Oo.
na lang if you
Mm-mm.
want. Hindi magsa-stay yung the rest of the group.
Oo.
Do it for you.
Yeah.
Kasi ako si
So,
team tulog eh.
Team tulog siya. Ako sa team early bird.
Oo.
Oh.
So, sige guys,
Yeah,
go lang
hapon
kayo.
na lang.
Tulog ako. Tulog ako
Oo.
today. Kailangan ko ng rest.
Yeah.
Hindi kasi pag gusto nila mag-shopping, hindi naman ako masyado mahilig dun sa like major
Mm-mm.
shopping. Sige, tutulog ko na lang yun or like mag-chill day na lang ako.
Was there any like unexpected or mga funny moments that you discovered about your friends during the trip?
May friend kaming nawawala.
Dami kaming friends na nawawala. Actually, we had travel Wi-Fi. Dahil nga may mga nawawala. Kunyari, we were traveling 15. Per 5 people, we got 1 travel Wi-Fi each group. Para okay, this group kayo bahala. Kayo mag-self-regulate dyan. And then this group kayo mag-self-regulate. And then this group kayo mag-self-regulate. Para yung mga nawawala, at least may connectivity. And then remember the rule na if we say we meet at 10, may 15-minute grace period. If within 15 minutes you're not there, just meet you at the hotel. Para walang nagagalit. Traveling with 15 people, iba-iba yung temperaments eh. Kami ni Patty, we're pretty patient.
Mm-mm.
But there are people in the group that are not so patient. We won't name drop. No name dropping today, but there are people in the group that are not so patient, diba? So, you're kind of like trying to balance all of that. Yun, may rule kami na if you 15 minutes not here, we'll just meet you at the hotel. And if within 24 hours, wala ka, we'll call the police. Syempre.
Oo nga, asan ka na?
Tama naman, diba?
Yeah.
We start to call the police already because we'll
You're
be
a
working.
missing person.
We're responsible for your parents. Diba?
True.
Your parents will look for you sa amin. So, di ba?
Nice.
Wala pa naman nangyaring ganun.
Wala pa naman. Ano naman, 100% return rate.
Yeah.
Grabe yung kwentuhan, no? Pero ito na talaga yung pinaka-importante ng travel hack. Bago ka pa bumiyahe, don't forget to book our Big Sky Travel Wi-Fi. Sobrang dali lang yan. Just message us at Big Sky Nation on Instagram and Facebook and we'll help you choose from travel Wi-Fis or SIM cards customized for your trip. At kung nasa NAIA Terminal 1 or 3 ka na ngayon, you can pick it up at our Big Sky booth. Now, balik tayo sa chikahan!
Ano pa yung mga ibang rules? I think ang dami yung na-share na ang gagandang rules when traveling with friends. Like, may survey tayo, meron din tayong 10-minute or 15-minute rule, ganyan. Ano pa yung ibang sa tingin nyo, like, important rules that you have to set prior to traveling, especially with a group of friends?
We
Yeah.
present the itinerary prior to the trip.
Ang customer journey kasi namin dyan, ang friend journey namin for travel was my pre-trip, diba? May survey, budget, where you wanna go, what you wanna do, ano yung balance mo for the itinerary. Before the trip, planned lahat. Everybody knows now what's going to happen. And we also had a 1-pager and a detailed document. Yung 1-pager is for your parents. Para alam ng parents mo.
Kung saan ka hahanapin?
Oo,
Where
saan ka
sila?
hahanapin?
Gosh, may copy pa for parents.
Oo, may copy for
Yeah.
parents and then may emergency contact yan for the police. Because I was like,
Oo nga
Because
naman.
I kind of felt responsible bringing these people to a different country. Tapos hindi ko alam, kunyari, Naconwood, alam ko yung number ng police, alam ko yung nearest hospital, alam ko yung nearest, ganyan. Kasi,
Embassy,
oo,
nakalagay
embassy,
yun.
just in case. So, I have all of those numbers. And then, we enjoyed the trip. But pagdating ng trip, ang masaya doon is chill na kami. Kasi, yung friends na namin yung nagna-navigate.
And alam na nila yung expectations kasi na-share na. So, walang magugulat pagdating doon, ba't tayo pumunta? Okay na.
Tsaka nagsiself-regulate yung group. If there's somebody who doesn't know what's happening, sasabihin, hindi mo kasi
Hindi mo si
binasa.
chinek.
Correct, oo nga.
Not paying attention.
Yeah.
So, kasalanan na niya. Pag
Yeah.
nagreklamo siya, kasalanan na niya.
So, maiiyak kapag hindi mo binasa yung document.
Kasi kayo yung planners, right? Meron pa bang ibang rules dyan na
Yes.
dinedesignate kayo?
Yes.
Yeah, I think yun din yung good thing about our system.
Yeah.
Wow! Kasi may roles na assigned to each one para yung work din is also distributed. Kasi we're all working na that time.
May trabaho kami.
Hindi lang po yun.
Hindi
Wala
lang
po
yun.
kami sweldo doon.
Unpaid
Hindi
nga
kami
pala kayo.
nasweldohan.
We need a salary.
Yeah.
So may roles kami. May taga-book, may taga-abono, may taga-singil, may taga-coms.
So, obviously, yung friends namin with a high credit limit, sila yung financier.
Thank you, friends.
No name dropping.
That's nice. May kanya-kanya rin kayo
Yeah.
ina-assign na roles.
And even pagdating dun sa country, may assigned to navigate din. So, chill na kami ni Much pagdating dun kasi sila na sa directions.
Yeah, it's usually the boys who are
Sila
great
yung
at
sa
the
direction,
navigation.
yeah.
Oo, so Google Maps na yan, nasa kanila na yung Wi-Fi, tapos they'll Google Maps everything. Literally, when we get there, they're the ones telling us where to go already, which is great kasi we get to just enjoy
The trip.
the trip.
I'm so amazed. Grabe ang pagka-structured
Nag-post
niya.
Actually, nagkataon lang na yung hindi kami magaling mag-navigate, yung boys yung
Yeah.
yung step up to the plate sila na doon, which is great. Pati yung karga ng maleta.
Sila na yun.
May role din
50-50
pala,
eh.
yeah.
Kasi kalahati girls, kalahati boys,
Oo.
diba? So, yun yung make-up ng tour. So, okay naman.
May na-lose na bang friends along the way? During...
No name dropping.
No name dropping. Pero at
Hindi,
least
joke lang.
take
Hindi.
away nila.
Honestly,
so that,
wala.
Yeah.
Honestly, wala naman.
Yeah, wala
Oo.
naman.
May mga nawawala lang during the trip, pero walang na-lost na friendship
Friendship.
naman.
Yes.
Oo.
Nice.
The most important part was, number 1, clear expectations prior. Number 2, clear accounting. So, every single receipt, parang, okay, we will travel together, and in order to do that for the years to come, we can't argue about money. So, clear and transparent accounting din kami. Like, we literally had an Excel sheet that everybody had access to, and the receipts attached to
Nakalog
that.
lahat.
Oo. Para, di ba, no fishy-fishy, nothing, anything. So, it was clear, and everybody, okay, paid on time. Para yung nag-abono din, hindi malagay sa
Madi-discourage.
Yeah.
alanganin.
That's true.
Yes, oo. So, maganda yun. I think that allowed us to have mutual trust with each
Yeah.
other as friends. Char!
Yeah.
I love that. Let's talk more about that. Kasi maraming like finances involved in traveling. So
Yeah.
how would you split those expenses? Especially if you're gonna eat like as a group. Kasi they have also preferences ng food. What's the rule with that? So yung mga ganong accounting.
Diyan naman tayo madali, di ba? Usually
Yeah.
talaga split.
Split talaga equally.
talaga
If
equally.
shared yung
Oo.
receipt.
Food.
Pero,
Kahit na mas madaming kinain yung isa, okay
oo,
lang.
okay.
Parang may
nanakit.
Oo, parang may ni-note kang ganun.
Nakikita ka ba ng kanin?
Oo, hindi kasi ako yung nag-extra rice eh.
Meron bang mga apps or tools kayong you wanna share for splitting? Or mano-mano tayo, Excel sheet, that's it?
Matagal na kasi to eh. Years
Oo,
ago.
years.
So,
Wala pa kasi yung mga usong
Oo,
apps
mga
eh.
Streetwise,
wala
gano'n, wala pa.
Excel pa lang kami noon.
Excel
Wow.
pala. Yeah. Actually, everything was in Google Drive
Yeah.
and Google Sheets.
Google Sheets.
Ano na yung next dream destination nyo with the Barkada? Or are you planning anything now?
We're going to Japan, pero with a different group this
With
time.
a different group, with our ex-office mates naman, not our college barkada. But hopefully, actually, yung college barkada namin ngayon, we haven't traveled ever since some of them kasi got married na, had children, yung iba.
Migrated.
So actually, isa din yun sa tip namin eh, na habang single kayo lahat, sulitin nyo na. Sulitin nyo na to the max. Because then, when you start reaching mga 25 and up, when people start getting married, having children, they get busy with their lives already, you'll start seeing each other less. Babalik yan na magkaka-reunion. So now naman, I think ready na sila. Ready na sila mag-travel ulit. So we're looking forward to like maybe having another trip, maybe next year with
Yeah.
our barkada. Probably like Europe na ba?
New
Sana,
Zealand.
New
Duh.
Zealand.
Aww.
Oo, long trip naman.
Pero yung group of friends nyo, like, parang solid na kayo before that? Or meron ding parang new friends included?
Usually yung partners,
okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
Pero yung core group naman, same pa din.
Same pa din.
Yeah.
College
That.
blockmates kasi talaga. Like,
Yeah. So, sanay na talaga lahat.
We've seen each other in our worst of the worst.
Wala nang nawiwirdohan sa
Wala.
kausihan
Yeah.
namin.
Wala na nagkakagulatan.
Wala.
Wala na. Alam na namin lahat.
Oo,
Ganon. We've seen everything na.
Wala sila matatago.
Yeah. What other lessons ba that you guys want to share to our Big Sky fam when it comes to like traveling as a group?
I think for me, since sabi nga ni Mooch na you'll never know kung kailan yung next na travel nyo, especially some of our friends have kids already. So document everything. Take pictures, take videos. We even have photo books.
Yeah. Ang end-to-end process niyan is, ako kasi parang I need to close a project eh. Ang project closure ko for travel is my video, my photo book, and my video. Para, alam mo yung doon ko lang siya mafe-feel na close na yung project na yan. Pag everyone's paid and my photo book and video na. So, every single time na after the trip, I'd edit a video. Wala pang vloggers nung panahon na yon, pero mag-edit na ako ng video. That's the only souvenir that I wanted
Project
eh.
documentation.
Oo,
Wow.
project documentation. Para pag stressed ka, naaalala ko parati, okay, kailangan magtrabaho. Kasi yun yung, I mean, it's that one souvenir that you can't buy. It's
That's
yung
true.
memories diba?
That's
So,
true.
I'd recommend na, lalo na ngayon, ang dali na mag-edit ng video. Edit it para 5 years from then, you wanna look back. You have already this fixed thing. You don't have to organize your files pa. And you can just watch it and then revisit, diba?
Grabe yung impact din sa friendship, like traveling as a group. Nagmamature din kayo all together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's really nice. Meron bang nagkaroon ng argument?
Sanay naman na. Siyempre, yun nga sabi ni Much kanina, iba-iba yung temperaments, yung patience level ng mga tao. So, pag may na-late, nagkakainitan, pero hindi naman to the point na mag-unfriend ka or magkakagalit.
Again, yung OC-ness ko kasi is like, pre-trip, I wanna be so OC na I can just enjoy the trip. So, pagdating sa trip, kahit may malate, okay, sige, iwanan na kita.
Yeah.
Tuloy-tuloy yung biyahe. Pero, may mga arguments dyan, it's usually because of time. Dahil, if somebody's late and then somebody's on time, diba, iba yung temperament sa
That's
time
true.
So, maiinis yung isa. So, bibigyan mo ng feedback yung isa mong friend na, hey, baka gusto mo
Agahan
mag-on
na
time.
Like, kahit 2 minutes early.
Oo. Kasi what you don't want is
May
pag
mabad trip
may
or
mabad
masira
trip.
yung trip niya because of that incident.
And reality is, pag may na-turn off, may nagalit sa trip, or may nag-away, it ruins the mood for everyone.
Yeah.
It makes it awkward. Just having those polite rules makes it sustainable for everyone na para may next trip pa. Kasi 'di ba, parang wag tayo mag-away dito kasi gusto pa natin mag-travel, 'di ba? So,
Baka hindi na siya sumama.
oo. Baka hindi na kayo magsama at the same time.
Oo.
After the trip, ano na yung post-process nyo doon?
Billing, yeah.
Billing.
May billing
Oo.
talaga. Yun talaga yung pinaka-important
Yeah.
part of it para walang malulugi.
Yeah, double
Lahat
check.
naman nagbabayad after.
Oo,
Wala nang
100%.
follow-ups dito.
Natatakot sila dun sa collector namin eh.
No name dropping.
May collection team pa.
Oh, may
collection
collection team
kami. The collection team is very effective.
Wow.
Because when she messages you, kahit typing pa lang, magbabayad.
Maano ka na? Isa-send ko na agad. Ganon.
Wala bang presyo, nagpadala ka na. Ganon.
Gosh, I'm so amazed. Kasi I traveled with friends then in a group. Pero walang ganito. Like, parang I need to apply this. Para kasi mas matest pa siya for the future travels din.
Sobrang swerte ko. Tuwing kinukwento ko siya, never ko na-realize how rare it was. Kaya sabi ko parang, thank God. Thank
I
God
mean,
for it.
like,
Yeah.
Pare-pareho din kasi tayong OC sa group.
It's a good blend of OC and not OC.
Yeah.
Kasi
Balance.
if lahat OC sa group, parang feeling ko,
Magka-clash
mag-aaway,
din.
magka-clash
That's true.
So parang 10% OC is okay for the rest of the group.
Yeah, super rare Kasi I was also surprised na 10 to 15 kayo, pero ano pa,
Organized
intact pa rin lahat.
Friends pa din
Kasi
kami.
parang wow, I will do it again. Parang gano'n siya. I think one then na, that's why I asked kung solid na kayo before. Tested na siya. Unlike yung parang pag yung iba mag-e-explore pa lang, parang dun
First
sila
time sila magkakasama.
magkahagulatan,
Yeah.
dun yung medyo kind of messy,
Oo.
anuhan pa sila, nagkakapaan ng personalities and all. Kaya parang you know the personality na ng friends and all that.
Actually, there were dark times.
Meron pa pala, wait
may
lang po.
dark times.
Yeah.
Hindi, ibig sabihin ko, di ba, may mga times na may 2 hours tayo nag-intay dahil may nawala,
Yeah.
may na-book na hotel na hindi type nung isa, or syempre yung mga RK, medyo iba yung standard, yung mga not so RK, iba yung
Yeah.
standard na acceptable level. So, may mga times na ganun. But, at the end of the day, give feedback and forgive each other. Important
And
din.
compromise.
Pero maganda din naman kasi is yung magbibigay ng feedback, tapos maa-apply na yung feedback immediately afterwards. So, yun yung ano.
Gosh, ang dami nating natutunan, guys, from this segment, especially when you're traveling as a group. Grabe, super thank you for sharing your tips and
Anytime.
everything. Now, let's do a travel hot take. Wow, feeling
Wow.
boy abuda tayo today. Pero wala lang akong binabato dito. 3 lang naman for travel hot takes. Ready?
Mhm.
Solo or group travel?
Group.
Group.
Splitting, pay before going home or installment is okay?
Pay before going home.
Pay before going home.
Okay, true or false? If you've never fought, you're doing it wrong.
False.
False. Like, healthy arguments are okay.
And getting feedback from others to improve yung future travels namin.
Human courtesy lang naman yun.
Oo.
I love it. Parang magiging matured talaga tayo when traveling. Kasi unlike, especially for young folks na parang we're just, let's go, let's do the, the bucket
Adventure,
list, the
oo.
trip, and that's it. Pero there's a more organized way to do this pala.
life gets real when you travel. Kasi it's a new place eh. You guys have to figure it out.
Different environment for
Makikisama
everyone.
ka sa mga taong hindi mo naman, ka-housemate or hindi ka naman sanay parati kasama.
I think the maturity then also
Yeah.
with friends while you're traveling ang
Highly
daming lessons.
Highly recommended, especially, again, yung sinabi ko na, early 20s, sulitin nyo yan with your barkada because pag tanda nyo, syempre masakit na yung binte.
Ang tanda na natin.
As a mid-30-something, I can't travel the same way as when I was like early 20s. Masaya din na nasulit mo yung early 20s mo.
That's true.
Any last tip for making group trips drama-free and unforgettable?
It will never be drama-free.
That's true.
I think the key is you know how to manage the drama. You have this mindset na magbabate and magfi-fix. There's still a next trip, so we gotta fix this now so that there's a next trip, diba?
Sa akin, I think, distribute the tasks sa mga kasama nyo sa trip kasi the planning itself, it's part of the experience na.
Just enjoy with
Yeah.
friends. Wow. This conversation, guys, has been so much fun. And totoo talaga na traveling with friends can be one of the best experiences of your life. So as long as you plan it right also, and how to handle yung mga unexpected as well. So to our listeners, our Big Sky fam, we hope today's episode gave you some laughs, lessons, and inspiration for your next trip. Thank you, Muchi and Patty, for such a great conversation. So if you enjoyed our first episode, don't forget to follow us on Big Sky, on Spotify, YouTube, and wherever you get our podcast. And if you have crazy travel stories or tips, we'd love to hear them. Please tag us on all our socials and share your best or worst Barkada trip moments. And we'll see you on the next one.
Thank you.
Thank you, girls.